Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best houseplants for beginners. Houseplants are an excellent way to spruce up your living space while also providing numerous benefits. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1 on our list is the snake plant. This hardy plant is perfect for beginners as it is low maintenance and can withstand low light conditions. Not only is it easy to care for, but it also purifies the air, removing toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene. Next up is the pothos plant. Another low-maintenance option, the pothos is an excellent choice for those who want a trailing plant. It can also thrive in a variety of lighting conditions, making it versatile for any room in your home. Additionally, it helps to purify the air by removing pollutants such as formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. Our third plant on the list is the spider plant. This popular plant is easy to care for and can produce multiple spiderets, or baby plants, that can be repotted and shared with friends. The spider plant is also known for its air purifying abilities, removing toxins such as benzene and formaldehyde. Fourth on the list is the Zamioculcas semifolia, also known as the ZZ plant. This plant is perfect for beginners who want a low-maintenance option that can tolerate low light conditions. The ZZ plant is known for its air-purifying qualities, removing toxins such as xylene and toluene. Finally, we have the peace lily. This plant is easy to care for and can thrive in low light conditions. It also helps to purify the air by removing toxins such as benzene and formaldehyde. The peace lily also has the added benefit of producing beautiful white flowers. So, there you have it, the top 5 best houseplants for beginners. Not only do they provide aesthetic appeal to your living space, but they also have air purifying qualities that benefit your health. Which plant will you choose to add to your home? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more plant-related content. Until next time.